to the puzzle game? Are you ready, Unicorn?
I'm ready.
I will ask questions. What animals live underwater? A. Dog. B. Cat. C. Fish. D. Bird. Answer the question in 30 seconds.
I choose C. Fish.
Congratulations on winning! Your reward is one fish tank.
Lisa poured fish into our tank.
Okay.
I have this very nice box. It's full of modeling clay inside.
Wow!
So colorful. I can make so many pretty things out of clay. Wait, let's recycle this box. It's quite new. I will cut it up to make a house frame. Like this. Today, I'm going to make a miniature house with a rainbow unicorn slide and a huge aquarium. First, I will use cardboard to make the frame of the house. Second, I will use colored paper to stick on the frame. I have completed the frame of my house. It's amazing! Firstly, I will make a refrigerator using pink colored paper and rainbow doors. It looks beautiful. Next, I will work on the kitchen. I took inspiration from the Little Mermaid Ariel, my favorite character. I'll make a simple gas stove. I love eating fried eggs, so I'll also make a small and cute frying pan in yellow color. Maybe I need to add a flower vase for decoration. I'll make flowers out of colored paper. Just cut like this. Add a sum of leaves. Make the paper flowers look fresh. I'll add some kitchen utensils and a few ingredients. A beautiful dining set will complete my kitchen. Let's make a sparkling table border. 2 chairs for you and me. I love cakes. What do you think of my kitchen? I'll make a rainbow staircase to go up to the next floor. Let's decorate it a bit. Moving on to the living room. Wow, a puppet. I really like it. I'll use it as a speaker for my favorite living room. Ta-da! Perfect Netflix and chill. I'll make a soft and cozy sofa. Lots of stuffing and a fancy lace trim to complete the sofa. It looks beautiful now. Come here and we watch movie together.
Woo!
The bathroom will be on the 2nd floor. I'll use an empty noodle box as a bathtub. The toilet will be made of cardboard and colored paper. Oops, I forgot a bed. I'll make a pink bed headboard with lots of flowers. Add 2 pillows, and I'll invite my friends to come and play.
Wow!
Lastly, a rainbow unicorn slide. ears, some flowers, and sparkling eyes. A large fish tank with some pebbles. Decorate the tank with flowers and a little mermaid. Rainbow bridge and rainbow slide. My mini house with rainbow unicorn slide is complete. What do you think about this? Please give me more ideas and leave a comment.